Hey guys, I'm coming at you with a new video today, and this is going to be my nighttime routine of how I maintain my straight natural hair. So as you can see, I have my hair in a ponytail right now. That's how I've been rocking it these past couple of days. And I'm just going to take it out and moisturize it and wrap my hair. So here's how my hair is looking right now. That is day 3 of my straightened hair. And it's starting to get a little frizzy, but I actually like that. I don't like bone straight hair. Going natural has definitely changed my opinion about bone straight hair. So I'm going to be using Palmer's Olive Oil Moisturizing Hair Milk and my oil mix. It has flaxseed oil, coconut oil, and a mix of Africa's Best herbal oil. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my hands, and I'm going to massage my scalp. So now I'm going to go in with the moisturizing hair milk. I'm going to put a little bit on my hands, and I'm going to mix it in with the oil. So as you can see, there's still a little bit of cream on my hands. You could see it, so I'm just going to add a little bit more oil. I find that when the milk is too much, it tends to revert my hair. So now I'm just going to distribute it from roots to ends, focusing on my ends, and just making sure that it's going throughout my hair evenly. Once that's done, I'm going to part my hair and begin to wrap my hair. So to wrap your hair, basically you want to comb all your hair down, and then you're going to wrap in a direction and make sure all your hair goes in that same direction until it turns into a beehive. I don't know if that makes sense. You could watch other videos on how to wrap hair, but that's the best way that I can explain it. So I'm just taking my comb and smoothing my hair behind it. And I'm just going to speed this process up. And once I'm done combing it, I'm going to go in with a brush and do the same thing. And for the last step, I'm just going to take my satin headscarf and I'm going to tie my head for the night. Once your head is tied, you're ready for bed. So this is the next morning. I'm all dressed up and I'm ready to take down my wrap. So you just take off your headscarf. As you can see, my wrap got kind of messed up. I sleep terribly, guys, no lies. So it shifted up my wrap a little, so it's gonna look a little funky. But basically you just take your comb and you comb the hair down out of the wrap. I like to go in the opposite direction of how I wrapped it so it falls down. But as you can see, I'm going through a little mini struggle with my wrap just because, like I said, I slept bad. So it's also going to produce a little kink in my hair, but that's all good. So now I'm just playing around with my hair, trying to decide how I want to style it. And yeah, that's not going to be the final style. I'll actually put in a clip of the final style that I did, which is basically how I started this video with a ponytail with a little bang on the side. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. And stay tuned for my video on how I revert my hair, my straight hair, back to coily. And that's probably going to be later on in the month just because I plan on keeping this straight hair for a while. So yeah, thanks guys.